Okay, I'm almost there. Okay, now I'm out from under the bed.
So how was it like being under the bed, Mickey?
I was fine. I kinda got stuck in there, but overall, I'm okay.
Okay. I'm kind of bored.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah, since, Treasure Island is closed because we closed it down earlier, until tomorrow because the kids left, so, yeah.
Yeah, I know. I did eat some spaghetti, and I did eat some quesadillas.
Yeah, well, I know I did eat some, I ate some chicken, I also ate some, real estate. Okay. Yeah, I also went to McDonald's to get some chicken nuggets.
Yeah, I think tomorrow we should go to KFC.
Yeah, we always enjoy going to KFC. Well, I have an idea. How about I'm just going to take a nature walk?
Wait, what? Why take a nature walk in the middle of the night?
I don't know, I just got a little bored, so I'm just going to take a nature walk. Outside.
Okay, but I just hope you don't get lost.
Don't worry, I won't get lost. You can, call me if you need me. Also, I am going to need a few things before I get out.
Yeah, like, why go get a backpack or something?
Okay, give me 1 second.
Okay.
Hope it doesn't take long.
11 seconds later.
Okay, I got all my stuff I got.
Okay, and what you got?
I got a backpack, a flashlight, and I got a map.
What do you need a map for?
I don't know, just to know where I'm going, like I used my Sector 4. I'm gonna just put my stuff in the bag. Okay, and, I know what you're thinking. You already have a jetpack on. Why wear a book bag? Well, just so I don't have to lose my stuff, so, yeah. Okay, anyways, just don't get lost. Yeah, and, good luck, and be careful. Okay, see you when I get back.
Alright, see ya.
See you when you get back. Just hope he doesn't get lost.
Yeah, me too. Because, like in episode 1, Mickey Mouse got kidnapped by Joker, and then we had to save him.
I know.
Yeah, well, at least we're home.
Yeah, well, I'm just worried that Buzz might get lost.
I'm not sure, but let's just hope that he doesn't. Anyways, I'm gonna just go on my music box.
Alright. So what should we do?
I don't know, maybe we should watch a TV show.
Meanwhile, with Buzz Lightyear.
Okay, so I just left Treasure Island, so I have my flashlight, so I'm shined at. I know I could have just glow in the dark, but I'm not in a cave, so I actually don't feel like going in the dark right now, so yeah. Wait, what's that? Okay, listen, just calm down, Buzz. It's just your imagination driving you crazy. There's no such thing as monsters, just continue on your walk. I mean, there's nothing wrong with it. Just continue walking. Okay, I'm gonna just continue. I think Sophie dropped. Oh, it did. Well, I'm gonna just. Oh, it was just a bottle. Anyways, I'm gonna just continue my walk. Okay, I'm gonna just check my map first. I'm gonna check my map. Oh, it's upside down. Oh, so I'm just... Okay, so I'm in the forest, so... Yeah. I'm gonna just continue walking. Wait, I see something. Oh wait, it's a bucket. What is a bucket doing here anyway? I mean... But whose bucket is it? Could someone be hiding in there? I mean... No one should be hiding in a bucket, so... Yeah, wait, what's this? It's a kite. Somebody else's kite. I mean... I think that's the thing that they use to fly the kite, and... But whose kite is this? And this is a rope, so... Yeah. I'm not sure whose kite is it. Anyways, I'm gonna just continue on my journey. Buzz will never know what's coming to him. Anyways, I just got out from the hospital after Batman killed me because he took me out of my not my AirPod, my escape pod. Also, the rest of my allies are still in the hospital, but I still got Dino though, but still. Anyways, with this controller, I'm gonna make this robot try to follow Utility Belt Buzz. I don't care if you try to damage his cybernetics, but this robot may do the trick. Alright, my little robot friend. I'm gonna just make him get into the box. But first, I gotta power him on. Okay. I was able to put him in the box by just moving this robot toy. Yeah, that's right. Go get Utility Belt Buzz, or actually that was Buzz. Go get Buzz and try to attack him. Okay, I'm gonna just sit down for a while because it's been a nice while. It's been a nice minute since I kept on walking, but I'm gonna sit down here for a while just to take some rest. Wait, what? There's a box. I wonder what's inside that box. Let me just open it. Hello, little guy. What is that thing? Wait, it's a mind control toy robot. Listen, what are you doing here? I'm here to take you down. You're gonna kill me? Yes, I'm going to kill you because I work for Joker.exe. Okay then, but still. You're not gonna defeat me. I'm a space ranger. Haha, you're not a space ranger. You look like you're just wearing a scary costume. A costume? This is not a costume. I'm a space toy. You can't take me apart. You can't even take my suit off. It's made out of plastic. Like, I'm legit made out of plastic, so you can't really take my suit off. Oh, really? Let me try. Ow, stop it. Oh, I guess you are plastic after all, but still you're gonna die. Wait, what? Ow! Ow! You just hurt my arm. Yeah, that's what you get. Ow! Just hold still. Just hold still and let me kill you. No, you will not. Wait, Okay, come on. You want a piece of me? Bring it on. Prepare to die. Wait, no! Buzz, Lightyear to the rescue. Wait, come. Buzz, Lightyear to the rescue. I'm just gonna step on you. Since you try to hurt me, you deserve to be stepped on. Wait, no, don't do it. Wait, what? There, that's what you get for messing with a space ranger. Warning, critical damage to camera. Please repair camera immediately. Oh, okay, I broke your eyesight. Yeah, and you almost broke my wires. And for that, you are going to pay. And I'm going to get my special weapon. This. Wait, it's the kite I saw earlier. But what are you gonna do with it? Oh, you'll see. There. Seriously? You're just gonna tie yourself in that kite? Yeah, and I'm gonna use that to fly. Like, come on, man. Like, you're a robot toy that is getting mind controlled by Joker.exe because you're a mind control toy. And can you simply fly like I can fly? To infinity and beyond. That's because you're using your jetpack. Yes, I know. But you got boosters on your legs. But I don't need them. You certainly do. Yeah, try beating me now. I could simply grab you off that kite. Get me off. Get off of me. I'm untying you. Why won't this thing won't budge? Oh wait, I kinda broke the kite. But I'll fix it. There we go. Now I'm going to untie you. No, look what you've done. You got me off the kite. Yeah. And that was very unsafe. You know what? That's it. I'm just gonna do this. Ha ha ha, I can fly. Yep, I told you that earlier, but you didn't do it. Wait, whoa. Haha, you missed. Whoa, you missed again. Ow. What is with me keep always getting hit by a laser? But I'm just gonna use a shield this time. Whoop. Ha ha ha. That's not a shield, that's a big plastic ball. But, that can count as a shield, but you're still not gonna take me down. Yes, I will. Buzz Lightyear mission log. This is a real emergency. I need to run away from a robot with a big plastic ball. No, I'm serious. What was that? That was me talking on my Sector 4. But still, I gotta start running. No, get back here. Okay, I think I lost him. No, you did not lose me. Wait. Oh, wait, this is a toy car. Oh, ow. The robot's right behind me, and what should I do with this car? Do I just skateboard with it? I guess I'll just use it as a skateboard. Wait. Wait. Get back here. Get back here, Buzz. You're not running away. Oh, I see you over there.
When they got on top of a hill.
Get back here, Buzz. Wait, what? Oh no! Dead end! Wait, I mean, I almost forgot I taped myself into the skateboard, that way I won't fall off. I mean, it's a toy car, so... Someone help! I'm impressed, Buzz. Really, I am. You are the first person to use the toy car to run away from me, but this is the end for you. You have two choices. You let me kill you, or you just stay up there. You surrender, or you just stay out there and accept your fate. Or I just push you down. Actually, I'll just put you down. No, don't push me. No! Haha. He's dead. He's finally dead. Think twice. You better think twice before pushing someone down. I mean, Well, you thought I was dead, so you could have just double-checked that. Wait, what? How did you revive yourself? Simple. I landed. I landed safely with my jetpack. But I already got a backpack on. I mean, I got a jetpack on, so I don't know why I got a backpack. But still. Never should have done that. Now, I need something to eat. Something to make me grow big. Oh, I know. Maybe I can eat this mushroom. How is a stupid red mushroom gonna work? Also, I'm gonna go back in my shield before Buzz Lightyear tries to kill me. Well, the shield just makes people turn into a giant, so I'm gonna eat it. I'm gonna see what it tastes like. Ugh, that tasted good. Wait, what's happening to me? Holy moly. Yeah, that's right. I'm a giant now. I'm a giant. Even if you're a giant, you're still not gonna take me down. Wait. I'm gonna destroy that shield of yours. Wait, what? No! You broke my shield! Ah! Critical damage, critical damage, critical damage. Warning, warning, warning. Ugh. 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 How does it feel now to get squished by a giant space ranger? You tried to kill me, and now you will suffer the consequences. And what is that gonna be? I'm gonna pull you off. I will push you off the cliff. No, you better not say goodbye, Buzz. No, no. Ah! A few moments later. Buzz, wake up.
Yeah, wake up, Buzz.
Man. Well, what happened?
Buzz, you're awake.
Yeah. Well, we were worried. Yeah, me too.
Yeah, I was worried too. Also, I'm piloting this plane right now.
Yeah, we know. Anyways, wait, but, why do I got a cast on my head and my arm and my right arm and my left foot? Like, what happened?
I don't know, but just calm down. We're just taking you home.
Okay. Also, can I tell you what happened? Sure, what happened? So a giant I mean, not giant, a tiny mind-controlled robot was chasing me throughout the forest. I had to eat a mushroom to turn myself to a giant, then I squished it, but then it pushed me off the cliffs, and that's what happened. Okay. Anyways, we're happy that you're alive. Yeah. I mean, when he pushed me off the cliff, I was in a coma, but at least I survived. At least I woke up. Anyways, we should watch a TV show when we get back. Yeah, same here.
Yeah, but for now, let's just continue on going home.
Yeah, and we should go to KFC tomorrow.
Yep.
The end.